I'd like to pick back up on our conversation regarding Cranmax. First of all, has it been clinically tested? Secondarily, could you tell us how do you take a supplement like that? And then are there any side effects or precautions you need to know about?
Well, first, with respect to the clinical testing, Cranmax has undergone significant clinical study. And as a pharmacist, I think that's something that is really valuable. When we're talking about taking supplements for various health conditions, and with respect to Cranmax, women or men that are concerned about bladder health or wanting the benefits for their gums or for cholesterol, we can be assured that there have been good clinical studies with Cranmax. In fact, one of the studies was published in the Canadian Journal of Urology, which looked at the ability of Cranmax to prevent urinary tract infections in women that were at high risk. And these were women that were suffering several urinary tract infections every year, which can be very uncomfortable for women, having to take antibiotics, struggling with the symptoms of urinary tract infections. So in this particular study, they compared the effects of Cranmax to pure cranberry juice to placebo, and what they found is that the Cranmax exceeded the pure cranberry juice with respect to its ability to fight off urinary tract infections, and it was also the most cost-effective method.
So Cranmax can be used to establish, to maintain, and reclaim total health.
That's right, and it's something that I would recommend consumers take on a regular basis. As we talked earlier, there are a number of benefits that Cranmax offers beyond the urinary tract. It is good for your bladder, but it's also good for supporting heart health, and there are benefits that we can offer in fighting off gum disease. In the same way that it works in the bladder to prevent bacteria, it also works in the gums.
And what form does it come in?
Cranmax is available in tablets and capsules. Also, there are new formulas coming out in soft chew, and the recommended dosage is 500 milligrams daily.
As a matter of fact, I've sampled those soft chews. They taste great.
Yeah, it does taste great. And another key benefit with Cranmax is that it's very safe and well tolerated. So when we're looking at its ability to fight off urinary tract infections, I think there are some significant advantages of taking Cranmax over, say, antibiotics for prevention. We know that antibiotics cause a lot of side effects. There are drug interactions, and there's the issue of resistance. Whereas with Cranmax, we don't have any of those concerns. It's something you take on a daily basis. It promotes a healthy urinary tract, but it also offers some other side benefits.
As a pharmacist, you must be hyper aware and sensitive about the problems that pharmaceutical drugs can create, as well as the fact they might be of help to you too, right?
Yeah, that's right. I think there are definitely certain cases where we need to use pharmaceutical drugs, but it's my belief as a holistic-oriented pharmacist that there's a lot that we can do with natural products for prevention and also to optimize health.
Thank you.
Thank you.